It's an attitude. AM 1500 KSTP, the talk station.
Well, longtime radio broadcaster Charlie Bush has died of cancer. He was 58 years of age. His career also featured stints at KSTP radio and TV, as well as at WLTE radio in the Twin Cities.
No matter how thin you slice it, it's still bologna.
Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you, that is how I know you. Go on, far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on, near, far, wherever you are, I believe that my heart will go on. Once more you are dead to God, and you hear in my heart will go on.
We'll check rush hour traffic now with our Houdini.
Oh, in the most areas are loosening up, but we'll still find slow traffic around Cold Valley South on Highway 100.
Can you hear that? Can you hear it? Really? Is that card 3? Are you doing this to prove a point?
No. I hit the button.
Lost your time just one time, and the last for the lifetime, and never let go till we're gone.
What do we normally have at this time?
This day in history, I think.
Oh, fine. Let me get that prepared then.
Well, you haven't started on it yet?
Oh, actually, I haven't.
Still my life will always go on.
Snow, sleet, blowing snow.
Dear far, wherever you are, I believe that my heart will go on.
Backhanded kudos to you and I, Ken. We've now shaved today's Patrick Royce Sports Insights down to a record low 4 minutes. Let's go to him now and apologize. Good morning to you.
Hello, Rob. You know, I love these guys who actually think they're going to win.
Yeah, isn't that wild?
Yeah, they have sold $89 million worth of lottery tickets, and these guys think they're going to win.
...1926 in the state magician Harry Houdini. You'd think he would have disappeared, right? No, he just flat upped and died in Detroit at the age of 52.
I'm going in the building as long as that guy is in that building. And I'm not in the building. You're not getting my services. You're not getting my work and my contributions, because I'm not gonna stand next to that guy, just like I wouldn't have had my picture taken next to Adolf Hitler either.
No.
Good morning, I'm Miss Crow.
Ooh, people, surely they don't still die of gangrene.
You know how that happened? Or from what I've
One of his
heard?
little tricks, one of his little...
Trick gone.
Magic acts?
One of the deals with Harry was you could punch him. Anybody could punch him as hard as they could right in the belly, and nothing would happen. He'd, be okay. I guess somebody came up and punched him in the belly
his appendix
when he wasn't ready.
Oh, you got to be ready.
During the day, we're on the big tower in the back there, that 660-footer. We're non-directional. Big over 50 kilowatts.
21 minutes past 3 o'clock, AM 1500 KSTP, the talk station. Don't you touch those. Don't you even think of touching those. Those are my round-trip tickets to Europe.
That may be too late, Terry.
Rising above the clutter. AM 1500 KSTP, the talk station.
Bob Yates.
Aren't you bringing me somebody that sucks blood too?
Yes, such blood next hour. Next hour.
I don't
about this storyline. If there's a happier ending up, for the life of me, I just don't understand that.
You know, I said it was my favorite holiday because I'm from Anoka. Peter promised me a warlock today, and you're not a warlock.
No, I'm not a warlock.
You are not a warlock, but your name is Donald Michael Craig.
That's correct.
And you're not even a high priest in the Wicca movement. You're just sort of a mediocre priest in the Wicca movement.
Story, if you get into her studio, unwanted.
There's only the rain pouring down in my garden. Black cat tips are following me around.
Put on the cards or in the card machine. A little horrible right at the beginning. I'll recut it.
You self-serving a do-gooders, just leave me alone. My misery don't want no company. I prefer keeping to myself, giving me my undivided sympathy. Yeah.
Don't tell me everything's alright.
What time is it? Vampire time.
Let me see your incisors.
My what?
Your teeth.
Bob, you must not flirt with a vampire in such manners.
Well, I don't think your eye teeth are so damn long. I mean, I thought you had to have long, pointy little teeth.
Not the damn way.
I don't really need it.
Thanks for the stories. Thanks for listening. Thanks for being part of my day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hello, this is Gil Gross filling in for Paul Harvey.
We're out of here.
Okay.
We're so happy being miserable. Yeah.
Are both of those people in there witches or whatever?
One's a publicist. The woman is a publicist.
The witch has a publicist?
Yes, apparently. Hey, that's the
I'm in
story
the
she
wrong
told me.
business. I need...
This is the most fun radio station to be at in the Twin Cities.
That's the funnest one I've been to.
Because you've only been to one?
Yeah.
Okay.